tribal kali atum anching room si tharna kang nilapen pinpura loki pajir. Mahamaya Constituency ke Parl Uttar Borbil Block number 1 along PNRD scheme pen ki Kim Pontang Market Shed Kimi Kangpu. Karbi Cultural Society Wathat Langso Arwapan social media along anong kijo. Kardom adab biota long pen level pon tropi non biota ton pen archek tha Bogotan subdivision angkang kedo inglong sukaliatum mate non tribal atum adivasi Nepali Bengali Bihari la pen Manipuri atum phaikuni ni phai cap arni ada por phai Krisia porpen Eastern Karbi Anglong College Adonwari adung National Highway 39 atowar akung amrajan along konta hini an tharna ingnisi puthot ladak pet sukhanjan an armuku chejeng padoponsi Bogotan STO civil ardeng pinpuralo kipajodam Labang sosai kedeng pon lake Karbi Anglong along non-tribal organization atung mensi cipatir pi pon lapen ala tu makimang lake Karbi Anglong along inglong sukalia tumapan non-akimi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council atung water list kasilam jipu along chitong dunde lapen anparta inglong sukalia tumapan ladak kedo aron mate longle pata kulat alu lapen akapre kilong dunang jason anta long dunang ji puakimang alam pensi la sosai kedeng along Anil Topo Niranjan Karmakar Bijoy Singh Harihar Sahu Dilip Kumar Pandey Jaikham Singh Manketan Machi lapen prakjama khaya song ke the tum chetong dun dharna kangni along Niranjan Karmakar pen lam ke than ke Bokojan subdivision Phaner kep along li lake Golakhat lapen Sipsagar district along li Hako pen mate 1951 aprang penta Assam along li pusi jong thip Lasila ke Assam Arlusi Parlo Dunangji Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council mate Karbi Anglong atum aron ka pinchong tap along komentu nida chedon thekte pusiningji jongdam sinang hakuku ili Karbi akisara tum kaja than ke Kolakhat Das company anke Karbi Anglong along lelang Assam atum pajo pe nang Parlo laplo pusi chethan pon setanon Karmakar kaning jele ason kapre klase ko an ahok na hok malake aron ke thek mate Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council atumsi aduya hoy along le alam chinipo Lasila solong le mo arnisi Karbi akhayatum chipang bodun deji mate Karbi Anglong along le chipu theplong ji malake non kangni bom Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council atum aridengsi dolo lapen moke bangji arnisi chini dunpo laso dharna kangni lapen armuka chijeng along bang pharo phoso se prekjama khaitum chetong dun Number 15 Mahamaya Constituency ke Parl Uttar Borbil Block number 1 Lankeshwar Temple along Phaikrini Phai Cap Arni PNRD scheme pen kedeng pon market shed akimi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council MSC Lunsing Teron arideng pen kangpu pona biota kadnus rong biota nangle Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke Parlo PNRD asai campaign kedeng pon market shed ahem kimi kangpu pon asai kedeng market shed Kimi Kangpu pon amai along Uttar Borbil BJP local committee left wing Maipu Raju Mazumdar pen kechari pon amai along right wing Maipu Babul Das pesi aluhi ke pachini lapen mai ke phalam the jai pon bangso amai along aluhi sarpo man pen MSC Lunsing Teron chetong dun lapen man pen aluhi aman pen abarim VDC chairman Longsing Tokbi Samilang so block mondola chunbang Babu Tiso Gram Kendra convener Rajesh Teron Dokmoka town mondol committee amai Prahalat Timung lapen Dengaung led chairman Kimi Kursing Timung atum pen dang law pen an ke thege atum chitong dun pen my RDP dun market shed kangpu pon amai long kachitong dun Uttar Borbil arong rat tumaphan MSC Lunsing Teron ningkang saw asim satabang 14 lapen hem tuntin tumaphan chitim alan sari gamusa genji hoi pipa jer tekang lapen Ayushman Bharat card sidame ron ponsi mai mesening samjin pen pajut ponlo Ministry of Health and Family Welfare ke Parlo Food Safety and Standard Authority of India pen phaikuni ni phai cap arni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council difu pen hojai rong supian Swachh Bharat Yatra jai me ke paman pona birta kadni sosa hemalong birta nangle Eat Right India Movement Food Safety and Standard Authority of India pen Swachh Bharat Yatra Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council difu pen hojai rong supian cycle ke pachjeng pona sai Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Rong Hang Pen Sing Puponlo Labang so amai long EM atum Amar Singh Tiso Khonsing Rongpi Raju Tiso MAC atum Ram Singh Timo Lun Singh Teron Penat Parta Joint Director of Health Services Dr. Karing Rongpipi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretary Nirola Phangchupi Pendang Lok Penan ke thege ding atum chetong du Namalam sopor phanbiota mang tumanik sina Restaurant, a fine dining restaurant, the most flavorable and exciting meals made with passion. Ethnic cuisine like Indian tandoori, Chinese, Pan-Asian and Karbi kitchen. Special food items like seafood dishes, fish and prawns are served. Pork special like barbecue pork spare ribs and Northeast style pork curry. Wait, not only this. Durga Puja special buffet starts from 17th and valid till 19th of October 2018. Also, the restaurant does catering order for parties, events, wedding, etc. It also offers free home delivery services. Distance and minimum order. Within 2 kilometers, rupees 500, 2 to 5 kilometers, 700, and 7 to 10 kilometers, rupees 2,500. For queries and services, contact at 6901312934 or 6901312930. Kopili Family Restaurant, 4th floor, HRSA Complex, Dharamnala Road, Difu, near Bazar, India. Big sale! Up to 20% off on baby wear, 5% off on grocery items and 6% off on beauty and personal care. Also special Durga Puja offer on ladies and gents wear. To avail this opportunity, step in Saraswati Superstore right now. Home delivery services are available within 3 kilometers radius of Difu. For more details and services, please contact at 7024-56806 or 9957-537019. Saraswati Superstore, MS Hans Enterprise, near Mamta Pharmacy, Difu Main Market. Hurry up! Hero Company gives you a beautiful opportunity to have any kind of scooty or bike with the best help of easy loan facility. Also, it will be covered up with best driving comfort, best mileage, easy spot finance, best looks, etc. Service accessories and spare parts are available here. Please contact nearest authorized dealer. SMV Motors, opposite of DIG Bungalow, Difu Manje Road, Karbi Anglong, Difu. For more queries, please contact 9613731109 or 9101147818. J&J Mandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups, and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435-925-116. J&J Amandu, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesre alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecho ajam thu tharmit aduk Thelua Kreng Chitronola Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Trail, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Dinamo people thought biota long wang thulo non hejong agricultural society bothat lang swaro pan social media long thangbak be anong ke jotha pa kat ni society hemalong biota nangli social media long agricultural society bothat lang so arwa phan anong ke jo bothat lang so cases aro hin penta lam the chepaklar pon social media long komat ni abang phipen kachingki along amar hanse phan bothat lang so cases achun bang pu kipu pondo lase amar hanse ki kidam tang suri hinira kretrok sianing kan pen bothat lang so cases aro long thangnat kachira pawi lapen cases aro phan anong junu ke jopon ke sodak basic pin rempon lopusi agricultural society bothat lang so aro hin pen birta pachini Khodkhuti police station ki parlo angkak National Highway 39 at warpi akong Hotel Raj Place adung mate Karbianglong Autonomous Council pen akimi transport atheng no along phaikuni ni phai cap arni arjili isi raj tim apor malom satis oil truck parking along men mikithur wora jok ahiring tangrak pen oil tanker humni mikicho injir thang lo pasi kat news channel pherang ki anante rang pen bokasan pen biar tanang pali Tong sekot pen police atum adima long pali dunsi kedo ana saita deng no laben bokojan pen fire brigade hum thom la pen dimapur ben hum ni fire brigade pali dunsi mi pamem den lo gulat hum thom la pen jang thwa truck hum nia bang ke mi ke chu injir thangan pin lo Biota kirong atengi satis parking along arondre penjang thwa truck mokha pasang penjang thwa truck along penjang tukang than ka chokwa sai claim ba majok si la solam ki phonang lo jongdam senang la so parking along aprang ta iphong lo mi ki chotang non pen phong nian lo labang so jang tukang than ka chokwa sai KSA AJYCP la pen SYJ tum da STO civil phan khangnang jipura pinpura lo ki pajir dam tang lo sita Halaburat pangriat ke hoi MLA la pen EM atum pen jakong ke thor thedara jok police atum ta sai jok chi tangka chu hangdun thurong la pen morni si la son nang man de jipu ki matha ke pangkri tangka ke pathya jok si pinyani la son nang man det lo Lasinon ke bang arni puthot corruption free atum tangka si pathi jini matela sonalam kisi kilang thukam tung le ke bang arni si chini lempo Biota bang kila pan sekang ton paniklo domi thakmi ko bang thu